All right, while I'm on hold with Verizon for 6 days and 5 nights. Wait, it would be 6 days and 7 nights. I ruined that joke. Anyways, my new lab equipment has shown up from Lab Society. I don't know if they're the best to order from, but I usually trust Google's algorithm when it comes to ordering quality goods, and this is the one that popped up. Please let me know if you have a better resource. These guys and girls give points. So just like kind of rewards, you know, your sub shop, favorite sandwich place, whatever, you can get free stuff. I've already got like $6 to use towards my next order. But I don't remember what I ordered. So we're gonna find out together. I know one is a beaker. Put down this knife. Let's see. Oh, brand new packing peanuts. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Put that up. I'm gonna chin this one. No, you don't want to see my fat roll chin. Okay. Oh yeah. Glass. Should really be having my head thing on here. I've got 2 things. Oh yeah, I got that Hannah stir thing. 3. I think that's it. What a good, oh no, there's more. Oh yeah, there's little rubber, I don't know what they're called, converters? Okay. That's it. There's no inventory list. Oh, those are View watch glasses. Hannah magnetic stirrer. Gonna need that. These rubber, I guess they're like different size where you can put the filter into the flasks. And then I've got a biggin. What is this one? Filtering flask, 2,000 milliliters. Yeah, I asked my folks for new Buckner funnel for Christmas. They looked at me like I was speaking a foreign language. But they said if I send them a link, they'd send it. So I sent them a link. So I'm hoping that they come through with it, because here's the filter funnel that goes with it. I'm not going to open the boxes because I'm not ready to set up my lab yet. So I've got all my lab equipment kind of in Barnabas, waiting for me to become a mad scientist. But yeah, I wanted to show you the unboxing from Lab Society, and let me know if you have any good leads for new lab equipment companies, because I'm super down for saving some money. All right,